Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is July 30th, 2020. And yeah, today was just absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. We killed it. We crushed it today. Look at this. It's so amazing. $417 in profits. Yeah, so again, I trade ticker symbol AMZN, and this is the Thinkorswim platform if you're not sure. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so starting from the morning, like I said in my previous videos, usually when the market opens, that doesn't necessarily mean we have to go, we have a pullback and then a reversal for it to actually, for people to start buying. This is, these are one of the moments where it just automatically starts. You have a lot of buying pressure and you can see the volume spike right here. So I definitely took advantage of this. I got into here. This was my first trade. Got in here and then I sold out at 30.41. I think I probably profited like $10 or so. And after my second trade right here, again, we waited for the bounce, and then what happened was it actually got rejected. So I was able to wait here until we had this candle bouncing off of this VWAP. Unfortunately, it broke below that, and then I had to wait for a confirmation for it to reverse, and then I was able to sell out after that one. So that brought me up to, I think, about like $50 or something like that. And then actually my third trade, I was able to do a really nice, this nice push up here. We see the volume coming in, and I was able to get in at 30.27 from here, and then I sold out at 30.29. And then after my third trade, I think I probably had like $93 or so. I can put up the screenshot right there, and $97 actually. And I was like, I know I can actually make $100 on the day. So for my fourth trade, like I said, you have to make sure you wait until we have some sort of catalyst that can actually break through. So we went above this resistance line right here. Then I was able to actually get in going up, even though I should have gotten in somewhere here. But that's fine because you don't want to rush anything. So we waited for that push up, pull back, and then I was able to get in, and then I get out, bringing me up to $124 or so after these two trades here. It pulled back, getting up, and for the rest of the day, coming up here. So these would have been my last two trades here. So for the rest of the day, I just left it. You see that it actually was just pretty much going sideways. And then we had earnings here at the end, which was just absolutely insane. What I should have done is waited a little bit, or actually got in a little bit earlier, but I waited until we had this first spike, and then I got in. And where you can see I actually got out, because knowing after it goes so oversold here from the RSI, like you can see it from here, the results were it was absolutely insane. If you can see right here on your screen, you'll see that the EPS had just bloated away. Actual came in at 1030, revenues $88.9 billion. Like it was just crazy. So congrats to everyone who actually made a lot of money on that. For me, I was able to make an extra 300 and something, bringing my total up to $417. So after I sold out here, which again I should have waited again and then probably sold like somewhere here, but you can actually see now we have this pullback because we're so oversold. So tomorrow, most definitely, we'll see how that goes. And yeah, that's pretty much my video for today. So let me know in the comment section, how did you guys end up doing today? Were you able to actually get into one of the big techs? Because we had Facebook, Amazon, Google, all of them, Apple crushed their earnings today. So let me know in the comment section if we was able to actually capitalize off of that. So that's pretty much my video for today. And yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification. Man, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.